Hi everybody, today we are in an Alexander Dennis Enviro 200 single decker bus. It's a 2022 model and I'm going to try and show you a startup and engine sound in it. Okay, here we go. This vehicle is used as a shuttle bus for employees of a particular organisation. Well, she idles nicely, but it's practically brand new. Now we're just going to get the driver to start her up for us.
This one? Yeah, hold it there. And I can. Yeah.
Let's give it a few revs. Sounds very nice. Thank you very much, driver. Auto gearbox as well.
That should do.
Thanks for watching and see you again soon.